Hey everyone, Alec here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the best way to subtitle your Instagram videos. This could be your reels, your feed posts, and even your stories. Let's get started. And so the tool we're going to be using to do this is a website called Veed.io, and the link is going to be down in the description. And I do want to mention, full disclosure, it is an affiliate link, and I also work at Veed.io. However, I also use Premiere Pro a lot, but I still use Veed.io to subtitle my videos because it's just more accurate, it's easier. Premiere Pro is a bit of a nightmare, and plus I can animate them, and I just prefer that way. That's my workflow, that's how it's been. And by the way, I'm going to be using the free version, so you can follow this tutorial along for free and subtitle your videos for free. Affiliate link below. So as you can see, I'm on the website right now, and all I'm going to do is just click on upload your video, and we're taken straight into the editor. And here I just want to click on upload a file, select the video that I want to subtitle, click open, and as you can see, it's now imported. And if I press play, hey everyone, Alec. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is actually just cut off the beginning, because posting Instagram content, we want that to be fast. So just like so. Hey everyone. Perfect. Then I'm just going to check the end. Okay, so I'm going to trim off the end a little bit, just like this. Okay, I like dragging the timeline up a little bit, just like this. So now, to subtitle my content, all I'm going to do is click on Subtitles and then click Auto Subtitle. Select the language that I'm talking in my video. So if I was speaking a different language like French, I can select French. But I'm talking in English, so I just select English, click Create Subtitles. And now Veed is going to take anywhere between a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on the length of your video and the speed of your internet, to automatically subtitle your content. Basically, it's going to generate a transcript. As you can see, it's just finished. And then from that transcript, it's going to give us time-coded subtitles. And then if I just press play. Hey everyone, Alec here, and here's 3 new updates with Veed. First of all, okay, so as you can see, we have some subtitles. And on the left here, one of my favorite things is Veed actually tells us if it wasn't sure about one of the words that it transcribed. So I can just quickly go through at a glance and see where I need to kind of check the text. So first of all, I'm happy because it's got my name right. That is a big win for me. Premiere Pro never does this, and not many subtitle services do, to be honest. So I can just hover over this and click mark as correct. That way I'm teaching the AI.
Thank you for teaching me, Alec.
And then down here, we've got here's, and here's is correct. I can just listen through. Hey everyone, Alec here, and here's 3 new updates with Veed. Veed, again, being a name, it didn't actually get this one right. So what I can do is just go through and then just delete this with Veed. Boom, just like so, and then click play through again, and then continue playing. And here's 3 new updates with Veed. First of all, we have text-to-speech. That's just okay. So text-to-speech, I would like that ideally to be on the same line. So what I can do is just hit backspace, and now as you can see, that's merged it into one subtitle. But then I do want this to be on 2 different lines. So I can just get rid of the space and hit enter, and now it's created the subtitle again, and it's automatically split in the timeline like this. We have text-to-speech that's just been released, and that is magic because it automatically places it at the right time. We don't have to click and drag to adjust it. But I can do if I need to, just like so. Sometimes I like actually getting rid of all of the gaps for my subtitles, so it goes straight from one to another. That's kind of up to preference. And so now, right at the end here, we've just got, again, Veed.io. So I'm going to change this to Veed.io because I'm talking about the website that we are currently using and some of the new features that have just come out. Here in text-to-speech, I just like to put the hyphens in just like this. And now I've got my subtitles, and I pretty much subtitle my entire video, and I might actually trim off a little bit more from the beginning of the video, just like so. Bring it back to the beginning so there's no blank space at the beginning. Double click on the subtitles to open them back up again. Updates with Veed. Okay, and now what I want to do is I want to change the style, because I don't want them being so low, because then they'll actually get hidden by the user interface of where I'm posting them. If I'm posting this to Instagram Reels, we have the little description at the bottom, and we don't want it to be hidden. So I highly suggest bringing it up kind of like a third of the way up from the bottom of the screen. And now I like bringing mine a little bit closer inwards as well, because again, remember on this side of the UI, we have the little comments, the like button, all of that kind of stuff. And as you can see, if I change the style of one subtitle, it's applied to all of them. So I don't have to go through and change them each one by one. And now I'm actually not a big fan of these subtitles because they don't stand out. So what I'm going to do is go to the Styles tab, and then here we've got a bunch of preset styles that I can quickly just choose, just like so. And I've also got a bunch of animated subtitles, which is pretty cool. So let's take a look at this. Hey everyone, Alec here, and here's 3 new updates with Veed. First of all, we have text-to-speech that's just been released. This is pretty cool. But anyway, I'm not here to change that. I actually want to remove the animations from my video because I think subtitles without animations can also be very good. Now, what I do want to change is actually the font. So I'm going to change it, and we're going to choose Roboto, I'm not too sure how to say that. I want to make them a little bit bigger because they're going to be in my face. I want to make sure they're only over 2 lines, just like this. There we go. And then what I want to do on the effect is actually add some drop shadow, so they stand out a little bit more. They pop in front of the video and they're not like merged, and there's no contrast issues there. And again, if I press play. Second of all, we've got animated subtitles, and the third it's applied to all of the subtitles. But there's also some other styles. As you can see, I've got block, I've got background. I think block's pretty good because you can kind of imitate the style that you see often on Instagram and also on TikTok. But again, I'm just gonna leave it a drop shadow because I like it. I can change the text color. I might change it to maybe yellow because they stand out a little bit more, and go through and check all of them, make sure they're all 2 lines. And that's pretty good. And then I've pretty much subtitled my video, and then I can just go and hit export in the top right and then click on export video. Now, because this is the free version, as you can see, there is a watermark. But if you click on remove watermark, you can actually pay a very small price to use this feature and subtitle your content without a watermark. So if I click export, export video, Veed is now rendering my video with the subtitles hard-coded into it. And again, this depends on the size of your video and the speed of your internet. And then once it's finished rendering, we can actually preview it. Hey everyone, Alec here, and here's 3 new updates with Veed. First of all, so as you can see, I've subtitled my content in literally just a few seconds because typing it out all manually is a pain in the ass. Now once I've previewed it and I'm happy with it, I can go ahead and just click download. But I can always re-edit it if I've noticed a mistake. And that's how to subtitle Instagram Reels, Instagram videos, Instagram Stories, Instagram subtitles. Go and try it out, link in the description. Thanks for watching.